Hey everyone, and welcome to Boss Advisory. Today we're going to talk about 12 easy ways to make money as a teenager in 2022. What age is appropriate today to launch a business? 25, 30, 40? Would you believe me if I told you that you can become a CEO even before you obtain your driver's license? We're talking about young entrepreneurs who run legitimate businesses like 10-year-old Ryan Kelly, one of the show Shark Tank's youngest candidates, who runs his own dog treat company. Ryan's Barkery. Michaela Umer founded Be Sweet Lemonade, a company that elevated the traditional lemonade stand. These young people who are only 11 years old are living proof that age is just a number in the economic world. So if you're a young person with an entrepreneurial spirit who wants to earn your own money, here are 12 easy methods to achieve it. 12. Perform household chores. Here's a cunning way to make some extra cash. You would think that children would assist around the house. Well, this is also the ideal opportunity to impart to them a priceless lesson. One must earn money in order to possess it. If your parents agree to give you money for folding the laundry, politely ask them to. They'll undoubtedly accept your offer. You're not only working hard for your money, but you're also helping to relieve mom and dad of the burden of the never-ending list of home duties. 11. Mow loans. Make sure you are capable of operating a lawnmower on your own before providing this type of service. Ask around your area. Just don't start mowing at random with a mower right away if someone wants their lawn speeded up for a modest cost. However, it's not as easy as just turning on a grass cutter, and wherever you go, you must first inquire as to how they wish their lawns to be mowed. Learn which places require mowing and which should be avoided at all costs. Number 10. Rake leaves. Raking leaves is an additional yard cleaning service in addition to lawn mowing. You have the ideal chance to take advantage of the fact that most individuals detest doing this for themselves. Additionally, it frequently involves mowing, so think about bundling your services. If you offer to rake up and take away the leaves before you mow, you can make a lot more money. Number 9. Run a lemonade stand. The classics are unquestionably reliable, but you can also freshen them up. Sure, while cool lemonade is nice in the summer, hot chocolate is a better option when autumn and winter roll around. Set fair prices and make sure you put your cash in a safe location, such as a lockbox or money belt. Also, pay attention to where you place your lemonade stand. Avoid placing it on private land to avoid facing trespassing penalties. Additionally, avoid selling in locations where a business permit is required. Number 8. Sell baked goods. Selling baked products like cookies and cupcakes is a terrific place to start, but to prevent accidents and injury, always ask your parents for assistance in the kitchen. You could either offer cookies alone or in packages at a discount. Even hot cocoa or lemonade go well with them. Give your company a professional appearance while luring in more clients by packaging your baked products in attractive, vibrant containers. Frequently, a product's packaging is equally as significant as its contents. Number 7. Have a garage sale. Instead of dumping away goods that you no longer need, turn your unwanted books, clothes, toys, and other items into cash. Ask your parents if they can recall how much they paid for each item, because you probably don't know what it originally cost. Afterward, you can determine fair prices based on the entire estate. Prior to starting your garage sale, advertise. Distribute leaflets and put up posters around your neighborhood to inform people of all the specifics. Number 6. Sell your stuff to thrift stores. Head to the nearest consignment business or thrift shop and let them represent you if you're not comfortable with your negotiating and selling abilities. Of course, if you visit these locations, you must be escorted by an adult or your parents. The things you want to sell must be in decent shape. Consider yourself as the customer. Would you purchase used clothes that was stained, had holes, or lacked buttons? The importance of quality outweighs that of quantity. Number 5. Sell handmade crafts. Do you enjoy doing crafts? Then develop your creative passion into a successful company. Create and market items like gardens, ornaments, wind chimes made from old keys, beta jewelry, and bookmarks, to mention a few. Profit from the opportunity as well. Around Valentine's Day, for example, you may make vibrant paper flowers and cards. As long as you have limitless supply of ideas, there are countless opportunities in this type of business. Number 4. Start your own tutoring business. Do you particularly excel in math or a foreign language? Are you truly talented in an instrument? Take advantage of this by offering to tutor other children in exchange for money. Just be sure you can juggle work and education. Additionally, you need the parents' permission before you can begin tutoring anyone. Additionally, you must obtain your parents' consent so that they are aware of your plans. They prioritize your welfare and safety above all else. Number 3. Upload and edit images for other people. Whether you're carrying out the action for a person who is merely illiterate, they might also be busy adults. You can upload their cameras' previously taken photos to their laptop as a backup if you don't have the time to spare. To preserve old photos, you can scan them and upload them into their computer. Offer your services if they need their photos retouched with Photoshop and you are skilled in doing so. Help them by performing simple yet time-consuming tasks that only call for rudimentary computer knowledge. Number 2. Create a Facebook profile for each person. Unbelievably, there are millions of people who have yet to sign up for this well-known social networking site. Only 68% of Americans use Facebook, and the remaining 32% don't. As per 2018 Pew Research Center survey. Find out whether your family, friends, and fellow students know of anyone who wants to join Facebook but doesn't have the time or technical expertise to do so. Inform them that you're willing to complete the task for a fair payment. The same holds true for other social media websites. Number 1. Develop mobile games. No problem if you don't know how to code. Even if you don't know how to program computers, you may now create mobile apps and games. You can get assistance from game building websites like Stencil, Germo, and QuickApp Ninja, thanks to their user-friendly software. Determine which elements of your favorite games don't appeal to you. Whether you consider yourself a dedicated gamer or you only enjoy playing them occasionally. You can make even better versions of those games after learning what they lack. Does any of these concepts motivate you to launch your own company? Great, but bear in mind the following do's and don'ts before you take the market by storm. Do let your parents know and get their approval first. Set reasonable prices. Be fair while setting your prices. Make sure to promote your goods and services. Work alone, not with strangers. Deal only with persons your family and you know and trust. Don't treat your customers badly or rudely. Even if they didn't buy anything, you should always smile and say thank you. Do make an impression on your clients with your integrity and diligence. Don't accept a task you are unable to complete. Know your own strengths and boundaries. Ask your parents or friends for assistance if you need it. Don't go to unsafe neighborhoods or places to advertise your products and services. You should always have an adult with you. If you intend to sell at your school, be sure to request permission. Avoid doing any actions that could put you or others in danger or cause injury. Keep your hard-earned cash in savings. Last but not least, keep in mind that you are still a child. Don't forget to take full use of your childhood. It's incredible that some children nowadays, even at an early age, are already thinking seriously about their future. Even if it's only a small lemonade stand, starting a company teaches kids to be responsible and self-reliant. When students interact with customers, they can hone their social and problem-solving skills. Aside from earning money, these kids are developing critical abilities and acquiring priceless experience that will benefit them in their adult lives. Thank you guys so much for watching Boss Advisory, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit the bell so you get notified on every new incredible content we make for you. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next one.